Press start.
Hello, I'm Rouge. We will talk about helicopter variations. As before, we discussed basically about helicopter. There are 5 types of helicopters in detail: tandem rotors, coaxial rotors, intermeshing rotors, tilt rotors, and quadcopters. Let's start with tandem rotors. Tandem rotor helicopter uses 2 large horizontal rotor assemblies mounted one in front of the other. They use counter-rotating rotors, one for the clockwise, and the other counterclockwise. The distance between 2 rotor edges must be at least 1 meter apart, so that they do not collide each other. Its advantage is, they have large center of gravity range and good longitudinal stability. It is therefore used for large cargo helicopters. Next, the coaxial rotors. They are a pair of helicopter rotors mounted together in same axis of rotation. It is also counter-rotating too. This type of rotor was produced by the Russian Kamov Helicopter Design Bureau. Next, the intermeshing rotors. This type of rotor was mast-mounted with a slight angle transversely symmetrical manner, so that the blades intermesh without colliding. This is also known as synchroctor, invented by Anton Flettner in Germany. Next, the tilt rotors. This type of an aircraft which generates lift and propulsion by way of one or more powered rotors mounted on engine pods, usually at the ends of a fixed wing. By the way, we compare with transverse rotors just like we discussed. And finally, the quadcopters. It uses 4 rotors, 2 which are clockwise and 2 in counterclockwise direction. This is called a drone. It records camera to view places everywhere. Also be done for broadcasting purpose, or making scenes for movie productions and many more. It is an expensive toy, typically it's battery powered. It is controlled by using remote control system where user can access. So now we have discussed about helicopter variations. Like, comment, and subscribe now.